Hi everybody, this is Douglas. I'm on Live Chess right now, and I wanted to look at some chess puzzles. And this is a fairly beginning opening where most of the pieces are um, just a basic structure. And I guess, somebody's made a bit of a mistake, and I think it has to do with, let's see, so my knight can't really fork anywhere or put any pressure with that bishop. This knight, don't see it really going anywhere. My queen, and it looks like it has something to do with just these minor pieces. And his knight. I think that his knight here on f6, I think it's ran out of squares. It can only move to g4 and h5. And if he goes to h5, if I move my knight, I would be taking it, but okay. If you want to try to pause the video, I think I've got it figured out. I think it is. It's just pressure. So okay. So he takes, and then I take again. Oh, okay. So he doesn't want to move that bishop or the knight, and offering a queen exchange there. So all right. So I think I'm just up the exchange there. All right. So I just wanted to let you guys look at a couple of things on my site. Training I have there 127 puzzles, and I'm at 1766. I don't think they take into account how long it takes to figure it out, because sometimes I'm, you know, minutes, 2 minutes, and sometimes a little bit longer. There's my blitz rating 1335. I'm right around 1300, 1400. I don't think I've gotten actually past 1400. Rapid and classical and bullet. I haven't done much bullet. I think that's the minute. All right. So one more puzzle here. Let's see how it goes. So this is a fairly developed game, probably about the mid game here. All right, so I've got here option of taking there on the queen, and then he would just take with the pawn. That's pretty simple. Looking at my bishop, nowhere to go over there. My knights, they got a lot of activity, both knights. If I take this one first, all right, what to do? So this looks like order, which order it is to kind of pick up the pieces first. You gotta do the right order of taking. Alright, if you want to pause the video here, I think I'm going to give it a shot. I think it has to do with, if I take here, is it the knight? He takes with his pawn. Oh, that might be it. Yeah, I'll try it because of the bishop. Maybe after that, let's try that. All right, and then putting the bishop here for check. What would that do? Check. Taking there. Or if I take here, then that's not really anything special. Kind of want to go in for that check or here. The next step, check, then he just moves. Tricky. Messing up his structure, but then I'm giving it back to him. I'm gonna go with, I'm gonna go checking him. Okay. And then, what does that do? Oh, okay, maybe, no? Here? Should, then we just take, oh, yes, it's pinned. Okay, the queen is pinned. All right, so there it is. Boom. Oh, still. Man, this was a long one. It's got to be taken with a pawn, though. I'm not sure. That was just a passing move. Yep. All right, so that was a tricky puzzle there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked it. If you want to subscribe or like this video, that'd be great. And I hope you learned something. You never know how it goes in these. Lots going on. And then I like to play them again just sometimes to, because these situations come up sometimes. And